Welcome to the online world of bits. We're a computer repair and support company based in Crick. The company was founded in 2006 to provide a cost-effective alternative to expensive and occasionally disappointing retail options. If you're in Rugby, Daventry, Guilsborough and you have a PC, laptop, tablet with problems, we can provide a local service. The biggest thing people want help with is a slow-moving machine. Problems can be software-based, a virus, too much hardware, conflicting programs. In this case, your computer needs to be scanned and any software that isn't necessary or is a threat removed. Hardware problems can range from an overloaded machine with insufficient RAM, overfull hard drive, or a hardware failure, such as overheating. Let us run diagnostics to establish the root cause. We can strip your machine down to the motherboard and give you a no-obligation quote. This short video from YouTube explains why traditional hard drives are so slow. Essentially, all that's inside them is a platter with a read arm that has to move mechanically to get your data. All very slow. The thing has to spin up to speed. Whenever data has to be recovered, it has to be found, and you can see it's noisy and mechanically it's going to fail. Replace that with a solid state drive. Runs 5-10 times faster. One of the easiest updates to do is to update your RAM. Here's a short video from YouTube.
When you first power up your computer, RAM is really empty, but the hard disk contains all the programs and games waiting to be run. The processor can only run the program if it is present on the RAM. If your computer boots up and RAM is empty, how does the processor run anything? Okay, I lied a little bit. The computer processor can run a little bit of software that doesn't have to be present on RAM. Right when your computer boots up, BIOS looks for operating system inside the hard disk and it takes out the operating system and puts it on the RAM. Now operating system loads up and you can run any program, but first you have to go in the flash memory and bring the program to RAM. So let's load Google Chrome in memory. I can load Counter-Strike in memory, and now I want to load Photoshop, but there's no room, so we have to make some space by removing Counter-Strike, and then we can load Photoshop. So this is why having a larger RAM is better. You can fit more software that can be run by the processor at the same time, and you don't have to go back to your slow hard drive or flash memory to get any of your programs. The process in which you move the programs in and out of memory and slow hard drive, that process is called as paging, and it's really slow. So when you press Ctrl Alt Delete or open Android Task Killer, what you are really doing is just taking out the unnecessary programs from the memory.
So, if you have a PC, Android or Apple device, come to James at Bits and see an improvement at a low cost. Thank you.